Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes children. So previous class we have discussed the numbers of lesson. Children, but in the today's video I am going to tell you the very interesting activity. So children, you all know that tomorrow one festival is there. Which festival? Yes, Makar Sankranti. So let me wish for all the children happy Makar Sankranti. So in this day what you will do children? Yes, you will play with the kites. You will fly the kites in the sky. In the numbers of places they will keep the competition also. Kite competition. Yes or no? Yes. So in the Makar Sankranti, in our home, mother will prepare the til ladu. Yes. And we will wish the people by saying the, what is that? Tilgullo or Mita Mita Bolo. Take sweet, talk sweet and be sweet. Tilgul gaya, Mita Mita Bola. Yes or no? By saying this we will wish to the all the people. Yes. So in the Makar Sankranti, we will make the beautiful kites. We will make the numbers of shapes. It is either it is a toy shape or either it is a Mickey Mouse face, it is a triangle or it is a round. We will make the beautiful kite with colorful paper and we will enjoy. Children, you will enjoy when you are flying the kites. Yes. So the festival is also held as a festival of kites that marks the end of winter and announce the arrival of spring. Children, it is to be noted that the festival has different name and celebrated in the different countries. Yes children, this festival is also known as the kite festival because in the Makar Sankranti we will play with the kites only. Children. So in this video I am going to tell about how to make the kites. Okay children. Yes children, so to make a kite, you should take a colorful papers. Here children, I have taken the yellow card sheet, that is the A4 size, just you can see it is a yellow color. Children? Yes. So what you have to do, you have to make a middle fold. Just you can see. Make a middle fold, see here, then again you have to fold it, make a square. This sheet is in rectangle, you can see it is a rectangle shape, so you have to make the square shape. Clear children? Now to make a square shape, what to do? Just to fold in middle. Then you will get the square shape, and the down also one fold and then cut it. Then you have to cut. Just to see, it's a square in shape. Yes, it's a square in shape. Now take a colorful, again any colorful, which paper you will get in the home. Take any color. Cut it. If you can't cut, means take the help of your parents. See again you have to, this is again we got the rectangle only. So again we have to fold it. Same thing. Fold and make a square shape. See, we got here. See the square shape. Okay. Now we'll take the another color paper. I will take the red. And which paper, which color paper you will get in the home, that you can use it. See here. Just to cut in the square shape. Again, it should be a square. See, it is a square. Yes, children? Then one more, take the square paper. See the one more square. Yes. Now take the green color. Which color you will get in the home, that colors you can use, children. Yes. The next you can see this also. You have to cut in the square shape. So we already cut all the papers. Yes, children. Now take the stick which your mother will use to clean the house. Take the size of that. Cut it properly. Cut neatly, children. Yes. See here. Now take the gum and stick that. So you have to stick that. Stick very neatly. Then take one more and bend. Bend and put, children, not a straight. It should be a bend. See, children, like this you have to stick. Yes. Now just now I cut this green color like this square shape. Now we have to stick. Put the gum here. Okay. See children, you have to stick like this. Okay. Now see this how to put. It's like this. See the back side and then front. Then again take the gum and stick. See children, like this you have to stick. See here how it looks. It looks very beautiful. Then one more we cut like this. That will paste here up. See here up. See, first we have to stick same way only. Put the gum. If you have the Fevikwik means it is good. Instead of using this sellotape, you can use that also, no problem. Now you can stick children here. See, just you can see how it looks. It looks very beautiful now. Yes. Now we'll make the eyes. Take a white sheet children. Make eyes. Then take a black color and then color it. Take a gum children. Now we will paste the eyes. See here children, 2 eyes. Now we'll make the mouth. can see children here, 2 eyes, 1 mouth. Now everything is ready. Now we will do the tail. Okay children. So to do the tails, we whatever after cutting that waste thing, waste paper is remains now. By using that only we will make the tail now. See children, already I have cut it. Now sticking that both. See children, our kite is ready. How it looks? It looks very beautiful now. Yes. So you also do this in home and then enjoy the Makar Sankranti by flying, by playing with the kite with your friends. It looks very good now. Yes, you will do. Yes, you have to do in the home. Take the help of your parents. Do the kites and enjoy the Makar Sankranti children. Okay? So children, I have ready the kite. It looks very beautiful and very pretty. Just you can see here. You know. So by seeing this video, you can also make the beautiful kites. So children, one more time I will wish you Happy Sankranti children. By seeing this video, you can do the kite. Take the help of your parents. After doing this kite, just click upon photocopy and send me in the app. Thank you children. So you can also do children beautiful kites and then enjoy your Makar Sankranti with your family members and with your friends by flying the kites. Thank you.